Okay, we want to make a grid. You'll need your 12 by 12 paper, which I have provided because I'm such a great guy. You'll need your ruler, your pencil. Oh no, somebody broke my ruler. First thing, 1 inch begins at that 0, not at the end of the ruler. Learn that. You need to know that. That's just something you have to know. We're going to mark every 2 inches. My advice, when you line up the ruler with the paper, use one hand to hold your ruler down and your paper like this. Okay, so I have it lined up with that 0. Mark every 2 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, yes, 10. There you go. Guess what I'm going to do on this side of the paper? The exact same thing. So line that up with the 0. Hold them down. We're going to mark 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. Next, we need to draw our lines across. This is where most people, well, another area a lot of people make their mistakes. Here's my advice. If you want to be lazy about this and not mark this side too and then make them line up, use this edge of the ruler to line up perfectly with this edge of the paper. See what I mean? If this lines up perfectly with this edge of the paper, your line will be perfectly parallel and level and straight. So when you line it up, we're going to line up this side with this edge of the paper and this top with your mark. So let's line them up. When you have them lined up, hold it down to stabilize it. So hold it down with one hand like that. We're going to go right across. You don't want to go too heavy because these lines should disappear. We're going to go right across. Line this up with the side of the paper and this top of the ruler with your mark, just like that. Hold it down with your fingers. Right across. We're going to keep doing that with every line. Line this up with the edge of the paper. Line the top of your ruler up with your mark. There we go. Boom. Everything's lined up. Hold it down. Right across. Oh yeah. Line this up with the edge of your paper. Line this up with your mark. Right across. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. Guess what we're going to do with these lines? Yep, the exact same thing. We are going to line up this edge of the ruler with this side of the paper and this top edge of the ruler with our mark, just like that. Hold it down. Draw right across. We are going to do that all the way down, just like we did before. Easy. If you can't do this, you deserve an F-. If you at least get half of it right, maybe an F+. Now we're ready to use this for our pop art drawing. Get to work.